welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to give Unicorn Trainer a makeover because look at this wild hair. So we're going to go ahead and get my utensils and I'll be right back. Unicorn Trainer, you want to help me? Yeah, I'll help you. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to comb her hair first with this hairbrush. I'm just going to brush her hair. I love this blue in her hair though. I just love it. Okay, ow. Look at all this hair. It's kind of getting a little fluffy again. Ugh. Okay, look at all this blue. I love it. Yeah, her hair, you can tell her hair has not been brushed in like a year. It looks like it hasn't been brushed in a year, hasn't it guys? It looks like it's been brushed in like 2,000 years ago. It hasn't been brushed 2,000 years ago. Okay, let's go ahead and put her hair back and we're just gonna do some more stuff to it. You know, like get it all organized. Okay, so I just want you guys to take a quick little look. Does she kind of look better? She look better? Guys, give this video a big thumbs up now because this hairstyle is probably the best hairstyle I've ever had. Really? Yes. Okay, so let's just go ahead and put your hair in a ponytail if you like it this much. Okay. I know you like your hair down, but it doesn't get as naughty if you put your hair back. So I'm just gonna turn her hair this way. Okay, I have to she has so much hair, but it's so short. I don't know ugh. This is probably more hair than I have, literally. Okay, look at how much hair I have, and then look at how much hair she has in a minute. Because after I put her hair in a ponytail, it's even tighter now. I'm doing 2 laps. It's so hard. Ugh. Okay, look how much hair I have, and then look how much hair she has. You can definitely tell that she has more hair than me, can't you? Okay, her makeover is done, but tomorrow morning I'll see you guys again because we are going to have to take her hair out and we're going to see how naughty it is so that we can see how daily it is. Should we put it in a ponytail more or should we keep her hair down more for it to not get naughty? Ponytail or hair down? Alright, we'll see you guys in my next hairstyle video early in tomorrow morning. Bye guys! After breakfast too.